Oh yeah, it goes all the way down.
Okay, let's start there. So, folds nice and flat for storage. Okay. How easy. Wow, that's really easy. So it could go all the way that low. Too.
Oh, you get all the way up here.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Do you have a full battery? Oh yeah, you have a full battery. How much charge? I mean, how much charge does it take out of one cutting?
One.
Oh, so you don't even have to recharge it after one full cutting of our lawn. Nice.
Now I forget how to do it. Oh yeah, this
You
is
pushed.
the all the way open. It won't work unless it's open.
Oh,
That
okay.
was the problem last time.
Pull the lever. Oh yeah.
That's why I was like, first time I couldn't figure out how to do it.
So that's gotta be extended. Now it'll work. I like it. So far we like it. That's a nice cut. Yeah, that's some really deep grass. It's very quiet.
Yeah, it's quiet.
Easy to start. We weren't sure about getting the battery operated, but this is working really nice. Even this tall grass, going right through it. Battery. Shows how much power. Adjust the height of the cutter. This is fully adjustable, up or down, and longer or shorter.